Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, I have another project using the Beary Christmas Suite of products, some of the products in that suite. So we have the Memories and More card pack, the Memories and More cards and envelopes, as well as the designer series paper, which is super cute. You guys have to see it. And the adhesive back glitter sequence, okay? I'm going to be adding in some more things, but that's basically what we're going to be using. Of course, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. So first, we're going to start with the September Paper Pumpkin Kit with love and gratitude. This kit is going to make 8 treat packages and 8 note cards. It has a Lost Lagoon stamping spot, and there is an add-on available of an 8x10 journal that is $15. And the item number for that is 163270. You do have to be a Paper Pumpkin subscriber in order to buy any add-ons, okay? And then we have our September 2023 host code. And this is the code I would like for you to use whenever you're placing an order with me, unless your order is $150 or more. Do not use this host code because you'll qualify for Stampin' Rewards, and Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up, and we don't want you to miss out on that, okay? And that is all of our buzzworthy business of the day, so let's get back to our project. All right, so now first thing I'm going to show you is a card that I already made. This was one of my very first cards that I made. It was a practice run, and I glued it down before I thought about it, and it's not how I wanted it to be. But basically what I did was scored the card base in half. I think that's at 2 1/8. And I took one of the Memories and More card, the 4x6 cards, and just glued it down to the front. So, but I did mean to center it, and for some reason I put it all the way at the bottom. Why? I don't know. But on the inside, to use a stopper, because this is an easel card, I took one of the stickers and added dimensionals to it after I'd adhered some Misty Moonlight and Basic White on the inside. So I used that sticker as my little stopper for my card. I still like the card. It's cute, but I just would have designed it a little different, so that when it's closed, it would look a little cuter. So, but I do want to add some Wink of Stella on here, like I did on another card where I used this same card, 4x6 card. So just want to get some kind of interest going on this card. Okay, and this is the envelope that I had to match it. But today we're not going to be using any of the card bases from the envelopes, card and envelopes pack, the Memories and More. So we're going to be using note cards, the very vanilla note cards, and the envelopes. And these are folded. They are 5 by 3.5. And then these are the envelopes. I went ahead and decorated it using some of the designer series paper. Okay, so the first card we're gonna make, let's see here. Let me get my notes. We have some designer series paper that is 4 3/4 by 3/4. And we're going to, I believe, what are we gonna do? Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and glue this down to the card base. This is so pretty too, the gift sets. But we're gonna put this on the front of our card like so. Just like that. And then I have some very vanilla here, and we are going to use the circle punch, the 1 3/4 circle punch, and we're gonna just punch out a circle. Okay, and what we're going to do with this, we're going to get some stickers. Let's see, which stickers am I going to be using? Very vanilla. So I don't have any more animal images, so it must be this one. Do I want to pop him up? I think I want to pop this up. So what I like to do when I want to pop stickers up, let me get my dimensionals. I am going to add some Stampin' Dimensionals. Ooh, it's so sticky. It's so sticky. I think that's good. Maybe one more, why not? But I'm gonna take my embossing buddy here and I'm gonna just pop it on. So anywhere that there's not a dimensional, it'll take away the sticky, because we don't want him to go flat in any places. So we'll just do that. Flip back over. Now I have to, what's this one? Okay. So I think I'm gonna add him about right there on our circle. Okay. Then let's get a sentiment. Let's see. We want to get a sentiment. Let's do warm wishes, and we're gonna do the same with this. Let's go ahead and get that sticky off. We're gonna pop this up. Where did I put my dimensionals? Let's add a couple of dimensionals. And I don't usually like taking the sticky off and then adding the dimensionals, because sometimes this powder will prevent the dimensionals from sticking as well. Oh goodness, these are so tiny. These backs, I have a hard time taking them off with my fingers. Oh, I didn't get that one. There we go. So let's go ahead and add this. It's gonna go about right there like that. Okay, and I think I want to put some ribbon. So I have the Parakeet Party. What is this called? Metallic woven ribbon. So let me see. I don't need it to go, I just need it to go around a couple of times. About that much is good. Let's cut a tail. Let's see here. Tear and tape. Oh my goodness, my desk is kind of messy right now. I think I just wanted to show about like that. So let's do that again. Wrap it around. I want it to go 3 times, so maybe, there we go, and spread it out a little bit. Okay. Okay, I hope I was in screen while I was doing that. Oh my gosh. You guys, I am so sorry. But you see me do it the first time, right? This is not working out. Okay. Let me see. Let me get myself together here. Oh, see, that's much better. I need it big like that. And then I want to put it like this, so it's showing at the top and the bottom. And then let's put some tear and tape. Why did I get such a tiny little piece? I don't know. But let's secure that a little better. Let's secure that down a little better here. Okay, so that's good. Yeah, just like that. Okay, so let's go ahead and remove the backing from our tear and tape on this circle, and we're going to add a little bit of glue. Make sure this sticks down. And we have our dimensionals on everything else. We're just going to pop this on about right there. That this is a 5/8 of an inch piece of designer series paper, and we're just going to adhere that down to the inside of our card. And I'm going to put it on this edge right here. And we're going to cut it down to make it fit. I want to leave a little slight edge here, like that. Then we're going to cut it down so that it fits the inside of our card. Okay, now let's add some bling. Now that we got all this other stuff in the way, let's add some of our adhesive backed glitter sequins. This is so cute. Oop. Come on. Where'd it go? Oh, it's right there. So let's put two there. Let's get another one and put it down here and call this card done. We're calling this card done. Isn't that super cute? Oh my gosh. See, I think this says Old Olive, but this is Parakeet Party, and they match beautifully. Isn't that cute though? Oh my goodness. I love this. It's so cute. Okay, we have one more card, and it's going to be using another note card, an envelope set. So let's get all of our pieces out here. So again, I decorated the envelope. This is our note card. Let me get my bone folder, secure that down. Let's see, what are we doing with this one? I see we have some real red cardstock. This is 3 1/8 by 4 1/8, so I'm assuming I'm gonna glue this down. You guys, I designed a bunch of cards in one day, and then that would not have been good if it would have flipped over. I designed a bunch of cards in one day, and then I had to sit down and make separate videos for them as time permitted. I know I have been a little off schedule, but I have a lot going on in my house right now. So this Memory and More card is 3 by 4. So let's see. We're gonna adhere this to the card base. This is another piece of the designer series paper, the same paper we used on the other card. And this time, this one is 4 7/8 by 3 3/8. Let's go ahead and put this on. And this paper is directional, but you're not gonna, because I put it because they have Christmas trees. You're not gonna see a lot of the trees, and I'm gonna turn it this way. Yes, I know the trees are gonna be going sideways, but you're not gonna see much of it, so I'm not really concerned about that. So let's put our glue on the back of here, and we're just gonna pop this on just like this. So it's the same design as the background, just turned a different way, just to give it some more interest on the card. Then we have another piece here of the designer series paper, and we're I'm not sure what side this is. I think it's 3/4 of an inch, and it was just some scraps that was left over from the designer series paper. And we're gonna just add this in right here along the side of our inside. And let's go ahead and get some of our little sequins here. Let me close up this glue. Let's put some of our sequins on. Let's see here. Man, I wished I had some red. I think the red would just be so pretty. I'm gonna put one there. I think I want to put one in each corner of this little faux label. I think that's cute, just like that. Okay, envelope, the first card that we made, and then the other one that I showed you using the Memories of More card base, our little easel card. Okay, you guys, but that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.